2D view creation, aligned section view, auxiliary view, and isometric section view. This video will guide us how to create aligned section view, auxiliary view, and isometric section view based on a 3D section view. This is a connecting rod. Firstly, create a standard view. Create an aligned section view by using align section command. Pick the base view, base points, and align points individually. Place it in an appropriate position. Click OK to confirm. Next, create an auxiliary view. Select the base view, then pick an auxiliary line. Change the projection mode to first angle. Pick a point to locate the auxiliary view. Click OK. Then create a crop view. Select the auxiliary view, pick points to define the view boundary. Finally, create an isometric section view. Go back to the modeling level. Create a 3D section view for the model. Offset the section plane. Click OK to save the section view. Return to drafting level. Use isometric section command. Check the name of the section view. Select the isometric view. Locate the view and click OK to finish.